Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you get internet connection but you cannot browse your Google Chrome. Let's open any website like YouTube and it doesn't load. We can try reloading the page, and the same is with Google Play Store. We can open probably we can open any app right here, but it won't load on your Oppo A96. So in order to fix that, let's move to our settings, scroll all the way down, additional settings, date and time, and from here enable set automatically. Now if we go back to the Google Chrome and reload the page, it shouldn't be any problem with loading that. Let's open YouTube. It links us to our app and move to the Google Play Store. It already was loading, but let's just refresh that, and here it is. It opens normally and we can install any app as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.